Let's learn how to do the flicker flash effect in CapCut. The very first thing that you need to do is to import the videos which you want to edit. I have 3 clips here, and select the first one. Now click on the Adjust button. Select the Sharpen effect. And set the value to 40. Then you want to click on Apply to All in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now we have to add a white photo in our timeline. So click on Overlay. Then add Overlay. And import a white photo. You can download a white photo from Google if you don't have it in your photo gallery. Make the white photo full screen, and after that you need to click on the Blend button right here. Then Overlay. Now drag the photo and adjust how long you want your flash to last. Now you need to click on the Animation button. Select Out. And now tap on Fade Out. Now copy the white photo a couple of times and put it at the beginning of every video. When you do that, go back to the start of the video and add the text. You need to enter a full stop, or a punctuation mark. Select the style right here. And set the opacity of the full stop to be around 16. After that, click on Animation. And then Loop. Find the random flash effect and select it. Now select the fastest option. And zoom in so that the full stop is full screen. And the last step is to select the duration of the flash and add it to the beginning of every video. And here is the result. That is how you can do the flicker flash edit in the CapCut editing app. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future.